Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 10 free AI tools that will make your work so much easier. These tools can help you with everything from writing emails to creating presentations to managing your projects. Grammarly is an AI-powered grammar checker that can help you to improve your writing. It can identify grammar errors, spelling mistakes, and other potential problems with your writing. Pro Writing Aid is another AI-powered grammar checker that can help you to improve your writing. It offers a more comprehensive set of features than Grammarly, including style suggestions, plagiarism detection, and sentence structure analysis. HubSpot CRM is an AI-powered CRM that can help you to manage your customer relationships. It can track your interactions with customers, automate tasks, and generate reports. Asana is an AI-powered project management tool that can help you to organize your work and keep track of deadlines. It can also help you to collaborate with team members and assign tasks. Google Docs is a free online word processing tool that uses AI to help you write better. It can suggest words, phrases, and grammar corrections as you type. Google Sheets is a free online spreadsheet tool that uses AI to help you analyze your data. It can create charts and graphs, identify trends, and make predictions. Google Slides is a free online presentation tool that uses AI to help you create more engaging presentations. It can suggest animations, transitions, and layouts. Canva is a free graphic design tool that uses AI to help you create professional-looking graphics. It offers a wide variety of templates and tools that can be used to create presentations, infographics, and other types of content. Zapier is a free automation tool that uses AI to help you automate tasks between different apps. For example, you can use Zapier to automatically send an email when a new lead is created in your CRM system. Google AI Platform is a free suite of AI tools that can be used to build and deploy AI models. It offers a variety of services, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. So those are the 10 free AI tools that I recommend for making your work easier. I hope you find them helpful. Thanks for watching.